Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and somebody sent me this file, and they're having trouble with the contour tool. You see, it's filling in the two spots in the letters. So if we take this shape, go up to Effects, Contour. I'm going to contour in white to the center at 0.001, and that's what he's getting. Well, immediately when I opened it, I could kind of, I don't know if it's just as I look at so many things, I can tell that this line looks thicker than the other lines. So one thing you can always do, let's see how big this thing is, less than an inch. I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 2 inches. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, fill in any color, and I'm going to fill that in and move it up, and fill that in and move it up. And then I'm going to left click, right click, and make sure it's something other than a hairline. And then we're going to take this and contour it to a white, and it doesn't do it. So there's something wrong with this shape. And I can almost see it beforehand. So I'm going to grab it, go to a object group and ungroup this. And if you look, there's two sets of lines. There's a line on top of that line on both of them. I can just kind of see it. I don't know if you can see that in your monitor. And it's funny because when you zoom in, you can't see it, but if you zoom out, that line looks blacker or thicker than the other line. So we group this back together. If you see, the contour tool isn't working because there's too many pieces, but we can group it. And I would suggest, I'm going with a white. I would not go with a white. I would go with a light gray. And the reason for that is the white is sometimes really doesn't engrave. So I would go with a lesser, a gray instead of a white. But now you can see that it works. So he's trying to 3D this person's name. Pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.